Bring the sausage from the fridge. Let me warm it. Our hands today.
I don't cut our hands.
Yes, don't cut our hands.
No, I don't cut our hands. You cut yourself.
Yes, I will not cut my hand. Another plate.
I want your hand fire. What are you making?
We're going to make coconut rice. Yum, yum, yum.
Yum, yum, yum.
Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum.
Yum, yum, yum. I want to go here.
No, Andy. No, here. Come now. Don't vomit anything. I just remember that I haven't taken my daily supplements. Centrum. It's true, even you haven't had your gummies. Come and take your gummies. Come now. Hurry up. Hi guys, so this morning we've had breakfast. We made coconut rice and turkey, so lunch is ready and sitting pretty. I put some clothes in the laundry. Right now I'm about to make some banana bread. You guys, for the longest time I've been wanting to start making my own banana bread. You know why? Because we love banana bread in this house. We eat a lot of banana bread. Nathan, get down from the chair. Get down from the table. These toddlers, eh? Get down from the table. Now, for so many years now, I've been buying banana bread from the store, and one small loaf like this, one small thing, costs $6.50. Okay, I normally buy 3, sometimes 4 loaves, and we finish it in a space of 2 to 3 days because I eat it a lot. My husband eats it. I take it to work. My husband also takes it to work, and even sometimes I pack it for Samuel to go to school. Okay. So I figured it would be more cost effective to start making my own banana bread, okay? Which is what I'm going to be trying out today. So I'm making it for the very first time today, okay? I watched a few recipes on YouTube on how to make it because like I said, I've not made it before in my first time. It looks really simple. All the recipes I watched, I saw some very simple ones and some very complicated ones where they were putting a lot of orishi inside. They were putting some walnuts, which is optional, but today I'm just going to make the simple one. Okay, so I have all my ingredients here. I have plain flour, which I believe is the same as all-purpose flour. I have sugar. This is baking soda. This is baking powder, and then I got this pan from Kmart. Cinnamon powder, vanilla extract. We are going to be needing some eggs. And I have my measuring cups here, okay, the egg mix, and of course I have some bananas. Please just ignore the color of the banana, okay? The more ripened the banana is, the sweeter the banana bread will be and the less sugar you're going to need, okay? So I think the color is like this because I put it in the fridge for a while. So when I brought it out yesterday, the color was like this, but it's okay, it's ripe enough. All right, let's begin, shall we? So we're going to mash the banana.
banana.
Peel the banana and put it there.
What I'm making?
We are making banana bread.
That's enough. That's enough. That's enough.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Half cup of water. See your teeth.
Oh, no, that's enough.
See now? Okay.
I want to put the sugar. Add some milk. Oh, no, that's enough. That's enough.
Back in here. We are going to mix. Put it back in the fridge.
Thank you. Mix. Yay. And be careful.
Yes. Yes, so be careful, my dear.
Be careful, my dear mommy.
Be careful, my dear son.
Be careful, my dear mommy.
Mix. Okay. Nathan is also part of the cooking, so here he is.
3, 2, 1.
Go.
Go.
So let's go and put it in the oven, and when it's done, I'll show you guys the outcome. Okay? Fingers crossed, it will look good and it will taste good. Okay, so while we are waiting for it, I just wanted to show you guys this cute pot that I got from Big W the other day. It was just a random buy. I just went into Big W and I saw that this pot was on sale. So let's unbox it and see. The recipe that I'm following says to bake it at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. So I checked on Google because the oven I have is in Celsius. So Google says 350 degrees Fahrenheit is equivalent to 175 or 180 degrees Celsius, okay? Which is what I set it at. But the thing is, it's been less than 50 minutes. And it's already looking like it's burning, so I had to bring it out. I don't know if I used the correct oven setting, but another way to check if it's done is to insert a toothpick in it, and if the toothpick comes out clean or clear, then that means it's done. So I think I'll try that method. So let's stick the toothpick in and see. Alright, so I put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes, brought it out, and this is what it's looking like. So hopefully it's done, it's well done inside, so that we don't end up eating raw banana bread. It looks good though. Yeah. Okay. Nice. I think I did well. For first timer, I did well. You want some? The banana bread is so finished. Only thing I need to do is that next time I need to figure out the perfect oven setting so that it doesn't, so the top doesn't burn like this. You're eating more than half. Nice. So let's just say I'm going to beat this guy to store-bought banana bread because I discovered my new talent. Lunchtime. Huh?
I know, yes.
Are you hungry? It's time to eat.
Mommy.
You want some rice?
No.
No?
I want
Later. I know you are hungry. Yeah.